Congratulations on being selected for the National TRAP Program funding. As an award recipient, you will be collecting standardized data on the types of traps recovered and information on the types of bycatch you find. The data you collect will be displayed on a data dashboard on the TRAP program website to provide insight into the scope and successes of the program. To access the data entry sheet, you'll need to download the Survey123 phone app. The app is available to download on iPhone, Microsoft, and Google Play. One helpful benefit of the Survey123 app is that you can capture data offline and then submit it once you have a connection again. You will access the data entry form through the link sent via email before fieldwork commences. Please do not share the link with anyone outside of the program. The link will take you to the Survey123 app login screen. You do not need to create an account, simply select Continue without signing in. Click on the survey labeled Trap Data Final, and then hit the blue plus sign Collect. You will fill out this form for each trap you retrieve. The form begins by asking you to enter your project ID. The project ID will be provided before fieldwork commences. Next, enter the name of the person entering the data. Removal date. When was the trap removed from the water? Next, you will enter the trap retrieval location. If you are using a device such as an iPhone or iPad that has internet or cell signal, you may use the location that pulls up on the map by selecting Map and then hitting the Target button to allow your device to find your exact location. If you do not have signal or are working from spreadsheets or another offline method, please record trap removal locations by recording the latitude and longitude coordinates in decimal degrees up to 4 digits. Please be as accurate as possible. Trap type. Please enter the type of trap you retrieved. What is the target species of the trap? Options include American lobster, blue crab hard, blue crab peeler, Dungeness crab, spiny lobster, stone crab, mangrove crab, and other. For this example, we will be selecting the blue crab hard trap. Trap use. Is the trap a recreational, commercial, or subsistence trap? Trap location method. Did you locate the trap through visual survey, sonar, or other? Trap material. What materials were used to build the trap? Options include plastic, metal, plastic-coated metal, wood, hybrid of wood and metal, hybrid of wood and plastic, and other. Unique identifier. Is there a unique identifier on the trap? Select yes or no. If you would like to enter any additional information about the unique identifier, use the Unique Identifier Notes box. The next few questions ask about the target and non-target species bycatch you found in the trap. The target species bycatch is the most specific. Please enter data on whether the target species bycatch is male or female. For lobster females, please note if they are notched or not notched, and if the animal is dead or alive. The entry fields are as follows: number of live males, number of dead males, number of live females, and number of dead females. If you do not know the gender, use the entry fields for number live unknown and number dead unknown. For any fields where you have 0 bycatch, please enter 0. There are 3 separate categories for non-target species bycatch: crustaceans, fish, and general. The species options for these entry fields will change depending on what trap type you entered at the beginning of the survey. There will also be an other field for you to enter any species that are not found on the respective lists of crustaceans, fish, and general. The first category is non-target bycatch crustaceans. Please enter the number of each crustacean species you found in the trap. You do not need to enter data on gender or if the species is found living or dead. Use the number of other crustaceans field to enter any crustaceans not entered in any of the above fields. The second category is non-target bycatch fish. Enter the number of each fish species you found in the trap. For the blue crab hard trap type used in this example, options include American eel, Atlantic croaker, Atlantic spadefish, black sea bass, catfish, flounder, toadfish, pigfish, red drum, sheep's head, spot, striped bass, tautog, white perch, and other fish. Use the number of other fish field to include any fish not entered in any of the above fields in this section. The last category is non-target bycatch general. Enter the number of each general species you found in the trap. For the blue crab hard trap type used in this example, options include number of birds, mammals, mussels, oysters, turtles, and other. Use the number of other field to include any bycatch not entered in any of the above fields. Biodegradable escape component. On this trap, is there a biodegradable mechanism that would allow species to escape from a lost trap? If no, select NA. If yes, please specify if the mechanism is functional or non-functional. Functional is characterized by a properly installed escape mechanism that is not obstructed or has degraded to the point where animals can escape. Non-functional is characterized by an improperly installed escape mechanism or a mechanism that is obstructed, for example, encrusted, or has wrong materials used, for example, non-degradable, that will prevent function. Trap condition. Can the trap continue to capture marine life, target or otherwise? If yes, select functional. If no, select non-functional. Trap line or buoy. Is there a trap line or buoy attached to this trap? If no, select none. If yes, specify line or line and buoy. General comments. Please use the general comments box to enter any additional information about the trap not reflected in the preceding sections. Photos. You may upload up to 4 photos of the trap and up to 4 pictures of bycatch. Please include at least 1 photo of the trap and a photo of any bycatch. To upload, click the paperclip icon and select Photo. This will open the phone's camera roll. Please note, you may need to allow Survey123 to access your phone's photo library. Select the desired photos. Once you have completed all the questions, click the check mark in the bottom right corner. A screen will come up with 3 options: Send Now, Continue this survey, or Save in Outbox. If you are connected to the internet at the time you are completing the survey, select Send Now. If you are unable to connect to the internet, select Save in Outbox. The Survey123 app will save the completed survey to your device's local storage. You can submit the survey later when you have a connection. The homepage will show that you have either sent the survey or have it in your outbox. To submit a survey in your outbox, click on Outbox and then click the project. Select Yes, you want to edit the survey, and then Submit by clicking the check mark in the bottom right corner. To start another entry, click the blue plus sign Collect. If you would like to make the data entry process slightly faster, you can save favorite answers, such as your project ID, name of the person entering the data, or trap type. To do this, click Collect to start a new entry. Enter the information you would like to save. Then, in the upper right corner, click the icon with the 3 lines. An option will pop up to Set as Favorite Answers. Click this button. Now, when you exit the form and start a new entry, you can click on the same icon in the upper right corner and select Paste Answers from Favorite. The form will then populate with the information you saved. Happy data collecting!